In this video, I'll show you how to play Fortnite on your iPhone 16 quickly and easily. Step 1. Check app availability. Fortnite isn't available on the App Store due to some ongoing disputes. But don't worry, you can still play Fortnite using cloud gaming services. Step 2. Use cloud gaming, Xbox Cloud Gaming, or NVIDIA GeForce Now. Open Safari on your iPhone 16. Go to xbox.com/play or GeForce Now website. Sign in or create an account. Search for Fortnite and start playing instantly. Step 3. Connect a controller, optional. For better gameplay, connect a Bluetooth controller like the Xbox or PlayStation controller. Pair it via your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Step 4. Adjust settings for best experience. Use a stable Wi-Fi connection, preferably 5 GHz. Adjust in-game settings for smooth performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials.